Alright, YouTubers, here is the ice machine we just installed. Brand new unit. Take a look. We installed our water filter. Can't have less than 20 psi or no more than 80 psi on these things. Sorry about the glare. We had to connect it all, the condensate lines and just the cord and the water. It's pretty easy. Got your board here that tells you what it's doing right now. It's supposedly in the freeze cycle. And here's what's going on right now. The water is going across the evaporator coil. You got your little switch way in there that adjusts the thickness of the ice. Here's your ice bin. Pretty clean, brand new. No problem. And just a really quick show of what was going on in the background. Had to put that little condensate line there. That's for the ice box. That other line there is for the condensate from the system. And there's your power. That's about it. There's your little evaporator fan running there. And these have hot gas valves. It's a little different than air conditioning, but almost just a little bit of different components. There you go. Now we'll just throw on the other outside panels and we're done. Till next time.